Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So we're now back in KL. So today we're gonna have a must-try food in Malaysia. What we call is a Nasi Campur. So this is not a specific area or location, but if you come to Malaysia, you must try Nasi Campur. So Nasi Campur is actually a mixed rice. So you have white rice and then you can choose a variety of side dishes. So here we see fish, meat, chicken cooked in so many ways. You got curry, you got what we call Nasi Salama, fried fish, fried chicken, you name it. You just got everything here, including the vegetables. So you must try and find a Nasi Campur place in Malaysia. Okay guys, so for me a must-have dish is this Llama Salama. We call it here as Llama Salama. Lala is a type of clam. Nasi Campur is actually turmeric cooked in coconut milk mixed with spices like lemongrass and chilies. So it's a bit spicy, but it's very creamy from the coconut sauce. And I also took some of this spicy beef. It's almost like dendeng, but actually it's not dendeng. It's a bit spicy. And also there is a wing bean. Locally we call it as kacang botol. So they cook it stir fry with some chilies. So basically all my food here is the choice is a spicy food, but if you go eat with the rice, white rice, this is one of the best meal. So let's give it a try. Yep, it's definitely spicy, but the taste is good. You should try. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this short video, press thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for another food video in Malaysia. I see you again guys on the next video. Bye bye.